Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the air hose clamp. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Tuck it if needed. There are 3 fasteners securing the housing. Disengage the fasteners. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF3171 filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing. Slide the air hose back onto the filter housing. Re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the sensor. Retighten the hose clamp. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.